In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your CV on Indeed. Uploading your CV to Indeed is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve your chances of getting noticed by employers. It allows recruiters to quickly understand your experience, skills, and qualifications, all in one place. So, let's walk through the process together in a clear and practical way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Indeed website. Once the page loads, you'll notice a clean and easy-to-navigate layout designed to help job seekers move around effortlessly. Our focus here is setting up and completing your profile so your CV can be uploaded properly. Next, sign in to your account. If you don't already have one, you can quickly create it by following the on-screen instructions and providing a valid email address. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on your name or profile icon. This will take you directly to your personal profile, where you can manage your information. Now comes the main part, uploading your CV. Within your profile area, find the option to upload your resume. Once you click it, a file selection window will appear, allowing you to choose a document from your computer. Before selecting your file, make sure your CV is updated, well-organized, and free from errors. It's best to use a PDF or Word document format, as these ensure your layout stays consistent when viewed by employers. After uploading, you may be prompted to complete additional sections in your profile. This can include your skills, education, and work experience. Take your time with this step, as adding more details helps strengthen your profile and makes it more appealing to recruiters who are searching for candidates. Once everything is filled out, your profile is ready. Keeping your CV uploaded and your profile complete gives you a strong online presence and increases your chances of being discovered for job opportunities. Make it a habit to review and update your information regularly so it always reflects your most recent experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.